Now, as you can see, I've drawn a plain bowl, and I'm now going to turn that into a character by giving it a face. For this video, I'm just going to keep things simple and draw dots for the eyes. But this tip does work for more detailed characters as well. Next, I'm just going to add some eyebrows. Then draw in a quick nose. And finish off the face by giving him a smile. Now, I don't know about you, but for me, this character doesn't look very cute. It just looks like we've drawn a man's face on a bowl. So my tip for how to draw cute faces is just don't draw a nose. I don't know what it is, but a nose only seems to work when you're drawing people or animals. And when you're drawing faces on anything else, like objects like this, adding in a nose will most of the time make the character look less cute. And just to show you what I mean, I'm actually going to draw some different styles of noses, just in case you thought it was only that nose that was the problem. So I can give the character an oval nose, a more human nose. Just loads of different noses. But as you can see, the character always looks more cute without the nose. That one looks really funny. And there we go, my quick tip on how to draw cute faces. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, leave a comment, and please consider subscribing because there's going to be loads more videos coming up. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.